Hey tech fans, are you holding out for that one Samsung 5G smartphone that finally fits your budget? The one that packs flagship level features, but comes with a down-to-earth price tag? Well folks, it's time to buckle up, because we have some massive news. Samsung is reportedly dropping a game changer in its A-series lineup, and it's called the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G. Trust me, when you hear the specs on this thing, you'll be asking, did Samsung really do that? If you're planning on buying this beast of a smartphone, you'll want to stick around until the very end. Because in this video, we're diving deep into the full leaked specs, price, and the launch date. Let's get into it. Features of the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G. The display. First up, let's talk about the screen, because it's the first thing you see and touch. The A18 5G is rumored to sport a stunning 6.65-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. But wait, there's more. This is no ordinary screen. You're getting an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That means whether you're scrolling through social media or deep in a game, everything is going to feel buttery smooth. And for the serious gamers out there, this is a dream. A 240Hz touch sampling rate is also expected. In the biggest news, this display boasts an incredible 93.60% screen-to-body ratio, which means the bezels are practically gone. For security, you get tough protection with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and, for that ultimate premium feel, an in-display fingerprint sensor. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature no phone can live without, the camera. The Galaxy A18 5G features a triple camera setup on the back, that's set to take your photography to the next level. Leading the charge is a fierce 50-megapixel primary shooter. Day or night, your details are going to be razor sharp. On top of that, you'll also find a 24-megapixel ultra-wide camera and an 8-megapixel macro sensor, perfect for those super close-up shots of small objects. And what about the selfie addicts? It packs a powerful 32-megapixel front camera. Get ready, because every one of your selfies will be instantly Instagram ready. Performance. The real magic of this phone is hidden inside its engine. The big question, can this phone deliver top-tier performance? Yes, friends, it absolutely can. Leaks suggest it will be powered by Samsung's own mighty Exynos 1480 chipset. This is a processor that will not only handle your daily multitasking needs but also crush high-end gaming with smooth frame rates. And on the software side, the operating system is rumored to be the latest Android 16. Talk about future-proof technology, you'll be completely up to date. Battery backup. With all these features, you need a massive battery, right? Samsung has you covered. You're getting a whopping 5100 mAh battery. One full charge, and you can ditch your charging anxiety for the entire day. And when you do run low, no sweat, it supports 50-watt super fast charging via a universal USB Type-C port. Price and launch date. So, now for the million-dollar question, how much is all of this going to cost us? According to the leaks, the starting price for the base variant of the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G could be around $250. And if you're eager to get your hands on it, you'll have to wait just a little longer. This phone is anticipated to make its explosive entry into the USA market toward the end of this year. What do you think of the A18 5G's features? Let us know in the comments below.